As a proud Hyderabadi, my love for biryani runs deep, and every bite brings back memories of home. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shirley here. Join me on this mouth-watering journey as I share my passion and celebrate the essence of Hyderabadi cuisine. I'm always on the hunt for the ultimate biryani experience. Every household in Hyderabad has its own unique style of making this iconic dish passed down through generations. Well, I'm here to share the art of making this beloved dish simple, easy, and delicious. Whether it's a flavorful rice, a tender meat, or the perfect blend of spices, nothing compares to a well-made biryani. The secret to a perfect Hyderabadi biryani lies in the meticulous layering of ingredients, the slow cooking process, and of course, the magic touch of the chef. It's not just a meal, it's an experience that brings families together and creates memories that last a lifetime. Making biryani is more a daunting task. Well, first you just marinate your meat with all those flavorful spices and allow it to sit for a while to really soak up all that goodness. Next, you cook your rice to perfection. Once it's done, combine it with the marinated meat and let it slow cook to blend all those amazing flavors together. And there you have it, the biryani is made. Just layer the rice and meat, sprinkle with saffron infused milk, and let it simmer to perfection. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, making Hyderabadi biryani is a breeze. The aroma that fills the air when the biryani is cooking is simply irresistible. So here's the ultimate Hyderabadi biryani experience, a culinary journey that never gets old. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious content. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen. See you back soon with another experience and for more culinary adventures. Bye bye.